Hi, Bill Schneider again from Rapido Trains. Today we're going to be talking about the Enterprise covered hopper. Now, I need to make this perfectly clear. Most of you who followed our YouTube videos may think there's something going on in the background here. This has nothing to do with Star Trek. Nothing.
They don't? Oh, come on!
So the Enterprise is a series of covered hoppers that were built for the New York Central system and also for the Canadian National in 1946. There were 750 cars built to Lot 747H for the New York Central in 1946. They were 2,000 cubic foot cars. They were a modernized version of a car that the New York Central had done just pre-war. And it was so successful that they came back and did a larger group post-war with the Lot 747H. So our HO scale model is the first accurate model of this car in plastic. We are offering the car in two different versions, the New York Central, as we see here, and also the Canadian National, which was different in a number of small details, including the hatch placement, the number of hatches, side panels, and so forth. We're also offering a number of cars that the New York Central converted for food service that had round hatches on the roof, and they were used primarily for hauling sugar. We have that option available as well. Some of you may have seen the test shot photos that we used in our early publicity. These were the first samples, and as we started reviewing them, we determined that there were a number of things that we wanted to upgrade. And the most noticeable of those were going to the use of wire for the ladder rungs and so forth, which just gives a much finer appearance. So the new cars have wire ladders. They have photo-etched stirrup steps, wire coupling bars, our semi-scale coupler. Again, we're offering the New York Central in the standard style, the New York Central with the food service hatches, and Canadian National with all of its detail differences. So there you have it, the New York Central Enterprise covered hopper and the Canadian National Enterprise covered hopper. Not the Star Trek Enterprise anything. These are coming soon from Rapido Trains. Order deadline is July 15th. Get your orders in. Thanks for watching.
Well, that fix. They don't? Ah!